Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your credit card account on Experian. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in experian.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Experian. Now in order to log into your credit card, click on credit cards at the top section and then choose your credit card type. You can then click on the sign in button at the top right corner and you will see the sign into your account option. Go ahead and click on it and you will be taken into the login portal. Now go ahead and type in your username within the username box and then type in your account password within the password section. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your credit card account on Experian right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on forgot password underneath the password box to reset your credential, and you can also sign in with Google if you have connected your account with Experian. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your credit card account on Experian. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.